We're back! And we have a special guest with us today!
Ooh.
My dad!
We're Anna D and Adam, vloggers living in Colorado. After the pandemic shut everything down in March of 2020, we took a hard look at our life up until that moment and realized we'd barely hiked 10 trails in the 5 years we've lived in Colorado. This was a wake-up call for us as we were prioritizing all of our time working versus living, so we decided to get outdoors more. Previously on the vlog, we explored the beautiful Colorado monument where we saw rock formations and canyons that date over 1.7 billion years. By the way, did you see our slow TV video of Rimrock Drive? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And now, for a different vantage point of the Colorado Rockies.
We're back! And we have a special guest with us today!
Ooh.
My dad!
It's great to be here.
We are back.
Wow.
I know, yeah. We're back at the Rocky Mountain Metropolitan Airport, or just Metro for short.
Where we're going to be flying again with Brian. He's been so wonderful to agree to do this with us.
Yeah, we're taking up Mr. Tony here. He's been sitting there flying the plane with us.
Oh, I'm so looking forward to it, that's for sure.
My dad has a huge passion for airplanes. You are a pilot, right?
That's correct. Yeah. But I haven't flown in many, many years.
And he has dreamed about airplanes for as long as I've known him. So today we're taking him up.
Yeah.
And I'm so looking forward to it.
We are too.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
All right, so let's go.
All right. Bye.
This is probably gonna happen a lot today.
Good morning.
This is my dad.
Nice to meet you.
Brian.
Brian.
Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We've been enjoying ourselves, just looking around and taking photographs.
Yeah, it looks really unfortunate today.
Matter of fact, it's been, 53, 54 years? Wow.
Oh, it's changed a little since then.
I know it has.
I've only been flying for 12 years and it's changed since I started.
Thanks. It's our old friend.
Yeah.
So right now, Brian's gonna do some safety checks and check the fuel to make sure that there's no water, as well as check out the plane, so.
Very rare we've got water in the fuel here. But if you want to see what the fuel, that's what it looks like topped off.
I'm in. Oh my gosh.
Got this.
Shocks are removed, pre-flight inspection is done, super breakers.
Clear for takeoff, 151. 60, little shimmy in the nose. The nose up off the ground.
those colors. So pretty.
Am I flying or?
You're fine. So this is the backside of Pikes Peak to your left here.
We thought I'd see Pikes Peak from up here.
Yeah. Salida is just to the south here. So what we'll do is we'll fly to the south to Salida, and then we'll hang a left and we'll go back over the mountain.
Okay.
Well, that's cool. I'm gonna get a picture of these collegiates. Like, not many people have gotten it.
It was a nice day, but not as nice as yesterday.
Oh, yesterday was gorgeous.
Gorgeous, amazing.
So once we get around this little peak here,
Okay.
we want to turn and head that direction.
Okay.
So if you look over here, you see where that mountain range comes down, kind of that dip?
Yeah.
And shoot to that.
Beautiful.
Alrighty.
That was absolutely fabulous. Fantastic. Yes.
Hi.
We are back at the house. I just crashed and took like a 30-minute nap, and I could have kept sleeping. I'm exhausted.
I'd say we took a lesson from last time and went to lunch and then
Yeah.
decided to finish this video.
Yeah, we both came back a lot less grumpier this way.
Yes.
But
All
this,
right.
This is not about us though.
This is about...
this guy right here in the middle. So, what'd you think?
Tell us your thoughts, your experience.
Yeah, tell us all about it.
So, was it everything you hoped it would be?
It was everything I wanted, everything I had hoped for, and it was absolutely the most thrilling, exciting, and fulfilling trip in an airplane that I've ever done. And I haven't flown for 54 years, and to get back in the cockpit and behind the yoke, it was fabulous. I really enjoyed it, and I'm so grateful to these two, okay, for this special gift that they have given me for, well, for an experience in a lifetime. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. It was really wonderful. I haven't got the words to express anything better than awesome.
Oh, that's so wonderful. Thank you.
What was your favorite part?
Yeah.
Behind the yoke, flying that aircraft and just going and keeping it level, doing the turns, and then our captain saying, "You're doing pretty good."
The funniest moment happened when Brian was like, "Hey, if you get tired, I'll take control back." And Tony's like, "Nope." like completely just ignored it. He's like, I'm gonna keep going.
I wasn't going to give up the control that easy. Not after this experience, because I'd never know when I'm going to get back to the cockpit again. So,
There you go.
Oh man.
that was great. Really. Thank you so much again.
You're welcome. Glad you enjoyed it so much.
I
And-
did indeed.
Thank you, Brian, for
Seriously.
allowing us to give my dad this experience as well. I think that's very important to mention.
Yes.
Absolutely. And I thank him personally for having handed over to me the aircraft so that I could fly and have the experience that I did today. Thank you so much, Brian.
Thank
Appreciate it.
And it's important to note that Brian was 100% in control the whole way. He always had command. He just
Absolutely.
let my dad have a great time.
Absolutely. I totally agree with that. He was in command. He was right at my side all along and just talking to me about the aircraft and how it functions, all the instruments. And he was ready to take over, except that I wouldn't give it back to him.
All right, so if you enjoyed this video, a couple of things. Make sure you follow Brian because he is building his own aircraft. So follow him, subscribe down below, share this with your friends, and follow us on Instagram.
And one more thing, if you enjoyed any of the pictures from today, Anna's got a print shop where you can get some pictures of your own.
It would greatly support this channel.
And more flights for Tony.
Exactly.
Subscribe, guys. It's really worth it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.